Crude oil and net gas both starting off the week on a bullish note. Here we have already seen oil moving all the way towards 68 plus levels, while net gas has also seen the high at 4.24. What to expect now from oil and gas in the US session? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with logical levels and detailed analysis. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look at US crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly charts after taking the support here from 67.3, 67.4 zone, it is again trying to bounce back, and possibility is there that because we are looking at higher lows, higher highs, it may try to move towards the next milestone, that is at 68.4 levels. Very strong resistance exists at 68.4, and as I've shared several times earlier, that once prices trades above 68.4, next milestone is going to be all the way towards 69.2 and then 70.2, 70.4. If you look at the stock, I think this is rising. The MACD is under retracement. It is trading bullish, trading in green here, and the RSI is very much sitting near to the overbought zone, but is still having or keeping the bullish stance here. Look at the 2-hour charts. After this rise, it is retraced. It has formed a very good support here at 67.3, 67.4 zone. This should be an ideally very good support zone. Though notice oil has left a little gap on the downside which is to be filled, and that is why also I say, see, first oil need to break below 66.8 and then 66.5, 66.2. These are the levels. If oil breaks, then only you should treat this as. Else what's happening? Double bottom is formed, higher lows are there, higher highs are there, and the highs of this channel are now towards 68.4, 68.6. Beyond this, you can look forward to a greater rise. The moving average is crossing over here is again a very good sign for the bulls. Stochastic rising here, the MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence is staying bullish. RSI is also rising, which is again a good sign for the bulls. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour charts, if you look at, see, the crossover in the moving averages is a good sign again for the bulls here. Higher lows are there, higher highs are there. See, this is the median, and it is trading above the median, which suggests that the move now is going to take the prices all the way towards 68.4, 68.6. The possibility is high here, and thus we have to wait for it to now stay above 68, where you can take a buying entry and expect it to rise all the way towards 68.4, 68.6. Moving average is crossing over here, very good sign for the bulls. The stochastic flat, MACD after the crossover, trading with divergence, this is again a good sign here. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation here, higher lows here, higher highs here, and this is the median here. We have to wait for it to rise a little, and yes, beyond 68, possibility of a good rise exists here, where you can expect it to move towards 68.4, 68.6. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to ideally 69, 69.2 and then 70.2, 70.4. This should be also a confirmation of further reversal here. Possibility is there that from here the uptrend should start, because see, oil has taken a very good support from the long-term key support levels at 65, 67. Stochastic here is looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI is rising. Signs are supportive for further bullishness. But when you look at the daily charts, see, if you look at the daily charts, what has happened here? It is consolidated, it is formed a double bottom, and the prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. Now 20 period has come down, and it is now again moving upwards to take the resistance from 20 period or kiss the 20 period. So whenever you see prices diverging from the 20 period, it converges here, and thus I say 68, 68.4 should be the next strongest support resistance zone. Now also notice moving average is crossing over here, but these are trading with divergence. Now this time the prices can try to move all the way towards 70 before trying to reverse. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD after a sharp retracement has crossed over only couple of candles away and trading in green, looking upwards. RSI rising. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So looking at the move here, I will recommend you to buy at 68, expect 68.4, 68.6 at the first target zone, 69, 69.2 as the second, and then 70.2, 70.4 as the third. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. If it can drop sharp, it can rise sharply again. On the downside, the ideal selling entry now is at 67.2. If you see oil trading below 67.2, take a sell, but then 66.8 first, 66.5 second, and 66.2 third. These three key levels need to be taken by oil on the downside in order to confirm the bearishness here. As long as these three key levels are taken, we have to be careful with the selling entries. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas traded with modest bullishness here. Moving average is crossing over. It's a good sign for the bulls. Price is taking the support from the 20 period, which is again a very good sign for the bulls here. It is forming a nice bullish flag. Thus, it is very important for net gas to trade above 4.25 levels, which will confirm further rise all the way towards 4.32 levels. And then beyond that, you can expect the prices to move towards 4.4. Stochastic here is the top, while the MACD is still in green. It is looking upwards. The RSI is comfortable. But as I said, on the upside now, 4.3, 4.25 should be the zone, which should offer a greater resistance for net gas on the upside. Look, it has formed a double bottom, and with that as bottom, it is trying to rise here. See, nice flag is formed after the recovery. Now, very important for the price to trade above 4.25, which will confirm further bullishness. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD after the crossover here at bottom, it is looking upwards. Again, signs are supportive here for further rise. RSI trading with moderate bullishness. And notice the 3-hour charts here. Yes, it has formed a good support. After the crossover, it was trading bearish. Now it has retraced all the way towards 50 period. Now it is very important for the prices, because see, what you are looking here is, it is a double bottom. So ideally it should come all the way towards the zone, which is right now sitting at 4.4. And thus, once it breaks out beyond 4.25, you can expect 4.3. And if 4.3 is taken, we can look forward to the next target all the way towards 4.4. Stochastic at top. MACD after retracing towards the bottom, it is crossed over. It is looking up for trading bullish. RSI is rising. So signs are still increasing here for the bulls. Though you can look at, see, we have seen net gas coming out of this bullish channel first. Now it is again trying to enter into this bullish channel. The second observation here is the crossover is on the sell side, and this crossover is appearing after a long time here, and thus we have to wait for it to now stay above 4.25, which should ideally be the next strongest resistance. And we should treat net gas as bullish only and only if it trades above 4.25, where you can expect 4.3, 4.35, 4.4 levels. And beyond 4.4, it is to be treated bullish all the way towards 4.6, 4.8. Right now, I can see it is showing a bit of struggle here on the upside. The stochastic entering into overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards, signs supportive for further rise. RSI comfortable. Coming to daily, when you look at the daily charts, you can find out that the double bottom is done. It is under retracement. Let it stay above 4.25. That will confirm the next move all the way towards 4.3, 4.35, 4.4 zone. And beyond 4.4 is where we can see, notice rise retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. On the larger time frame, it is still holding on to the bullish trend, where if it stays above 4.4, we are looking forward to a greater up move towards 4.6, 4.8 zone. Stochastic, after forming the double bottom, it is rising here, which might take the prices towards the double top. But look at the MACD on the daily charts. After rising strong, it has crossed over on the sell side. Now remember, even if it shows signs of convergence, which suggests that even if it can possibly deliver 2 to 3 greener candles here. Now 2 to 3 greener candles can in fact take the prices higher, and then from there the dip might start. And hence, right now, too early to conclude. On the charts, it is still having bullishness, but the MACD is suggesting of the other way around. RSI is comfortable. So now looking at this, what I'll recommend a buying entry at 4.25 levels, expected to move towards 4. And once 4.3 is taken, ideally I'll be looking forward to 4.38, 4.4 zone. Beyond this, stay bullish for 4.5, 4.6. Though such a stronger rise in a single day, that is today, appears difficult, but yes, these are markets and this is natural gas. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 4.1. As long as 4.15 is not taken, do not treat natural gas as bearish. Below 4.15 is where we can expect the bears to take over 4.18, 4.08 and then $4 levels. Below 4 is where ideally the strongest bearish move should appear. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a profitable session, US session. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asian Europe session.